ये देखो, दोनों भाई ब्रशेस पकड़ के ऐसे बैठे हैं जैसे कि वॉर लड़ने जा रहे हैं। As our Giggling Monkeys said, it's a fun activity video. It's a toddler kind of activity which to explore their artistic sides with painting and printing. Now we have taken a earbud and हमने उसमें black color में dip किया and now we are going to ... in the circle. अब सुचेत अपनी कलाकारी दिखा रहा है. Now comes the artist turn. सुचे उसका आर्टिस्टिक टच दिखाते हुए. Kids plus paint plus prints equals to pure creativity. Our painting and printing activity with kids lights up their faces with excitement as they experiment with different techniques and different colors. It's a wonderful sight to see their creativity come to life, like turning ordinary paper into vibrant masterpieces. ये देखो, एक्टिविटी करने के लिए बोला तो रील्स बना रहे हैं. Okay, let's paint upon the leaf. It's time to print the painted leaves. चलो अब मैं भी कुछ करती हूँ. It's time to draw stem and leaves. I was just guiding them, but the brushes were used to run by their own. अब ग्रास भी पेंट करके कुछ फिनिशिंग टच देते हैं. It was a delightful day with the kids immersed in painting and printing activity. Their joyful hands dipped their brushes and stamps into vibrant colors, creating this beautiful and creative art. Their creativity and energy made the activity both fun and inspiring, resulting in a collection of creations that showcased their artistic flair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more.
सब्सक्राइब कर दो, बाय।